When I was starting gym, it was pretty overwhelming at the beginning because there is so much information that I don't know, and there is so much fear that I will do something wrong and mess up my gains, to the point where many people, because of that fear and that overwhelmingness, they don't even start, or they push back starting the gym until they know everything. So they lose a lot of time that they could have spent doing the gym and working out. So today I'm just gonna teach you the basics that you need to know to start the gym, and that's all you need. After watching this video, you can hit the gym today. The first step is jump down and give me 10 push-ups right now. I will do it too, so yeah. 10 push-ups done, hope you did it too. Okay, that was just a bonus. So, actual steps. First thing that you need to know is that you have to bulk. Unless you're really fat right now and your body fat percentage is really high, you should bulk. Like if you have some extra kilograms, doesn't matter, you should still bulk. You should only cut if you're already pretty fat. If you're not, then you should go bulk, because bulking, by the way, I didn't explain, bulking means that you're taking in more calories than you're burning, so you're gaining weight. Bulking is gonna make you gain muscle, obviously. You need to take in food to get energy and to make those calories into muscle, because that's the only way you can actually get big and strong. Okay, everybody says bulk, but how do you bulk? What do you need to do to actually start bulking? The first step is gonna be to go to a website called a TDEE calculator. I will link it in the description, so you need to go on there. There's gonna be some questions that you need to fill out. Fill those out and it will tell you exactly how many calories you need to eat in a day to bulk. It also has a bunch of other interesting information, so I recommend you to read all of that as well. But the most important one is how many calories you need to take in. So yeah, do that. After you have that and you have the number of calories that you need to take in a day, you need to go to an app on your phone, MyFitnessPal. You need to download it, and then on it you can put on the number that you got on this calculator as the amount of calories that you need to take in daily. And then on that app you need to track every food that you eat in a day, and you can do that by scanning the barcode of the food or just searching up like a banana and then putting it in. Those foods need to be healthy. You can't be eating McDonald's. I mean, technically you can, but that's not gonna give you the same results and you're gonna get sick. So you need to have a clean bulk, so you need to be eating healthy foods, and you need to be eating a lot of healthy foods. Many people say that I tried eating more and I still can't gain any weight. That's because you don't understand how much you really need to eat if you want to gain weight. Do these two steps and try tracking your calories for a few days, then you will see how much food you actually need to eat in a day. Maybe you're a natural and maybe it's not gonna be a problem. Maybe it's gonna be a little bit of a problem because genuinely it's a lot of food, but you need to get over it. Nobody said it's gonna be easy. I mean, the title did, but yeah, it's not gonna be that easy, but it's simple. The best foods to eat are genuinely, like, you need to take in a lot of proteins, so meat and fish are really, really good for your diet. Also potatoes and rice are good, eggs are good, and buy some protein powder so you can make shakes every day. That will be a good dose of protein, because protein is generally pretty difficult to take in, because you would have to eat a lot of meat if you want to get all the protein without the protein powder. And don't worry, protein powders are tasty. You can find them for cheap, you can find them for expensive, but they're good. They are really tasty. You will enjoy them, trust me. Meat is kind of expensive, so if you want to get meat for cheaper, you should buy those who are close to expiry date. They generally lower the price for that, and then eat them on the same day or tomorrow, or put them into a freezer. That way they will not expire and they will still be good to eat. Other way to do it is you could go to butcher store and go in late before they close. They often have like some things that they didn't sell, so they lower the price of them so they can sell them, so they don't have anything left over. So yeah, that's also a good tip to get some food for cheaper. I'm not sure if every butcher does this. My local one does, so you should try it. Maybe yours does too. Now, workout routine. What kind of routine should you do to lift weights? Don't overthink this. I will link a video in the description that helped me make my routine. Just follow that. Also, don't think it has to be perfect straight away. You will eventually learn more things, and then you will implement those things and you will improve your routine day by day. It doesn't have to be perfect straight away. You just need to start. Gradually add reps or sets or weight, for example, every 2 weeks or something, so it's like more difficult with time, and that's called progressive overload. That will build you more muscles and more strength with time. If you have dumbbells at home, you can work out there, but you will eventually need to either buy heavier dumbbells or just move to the gym, so it's a good idea to just join a gym if you can afford that. Those were just the basic things you need to start gym, And so there is no excuse to not start it today. I hope these were helpful. If they are, you can press the like button. If you like the video and you want to check out another one, you can check out this one here. And that's all I had to say for this video. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.